Garmin, a global leader in GPS technology and wearable devices, is set to revolutionize the smartwatch industry with the eagerly anticipated Fenix 8. This upcoming flagship model is more than just an incremental upgrade. It's a complete overhaul, bringing a host of innovative features that are sure to appeal to both adventurers and fitness enthusiasts. From an all-new AMOLED display to advanced health tracking capabilities, the Garmin Fenix 8 promises to deliver a next-level experience for users. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into everything you need to know about the Fenix 8, from its groundbreaking specs and features to its expected release date and pricing. One of the most significant upgrades in the Garmin Fenix 8 is the transition to an AMOLED display, a first for the Fenix series. This change marks a bold departure from the traditional memory and pixel (MIP) displays that Garmin users have come to know. The introduction of AMOLED technology brings a wealth of benefits, including richer colors, deeper blacks, and faster response times. This high-contrast, energy-efficient display will provide a more immersive and visually stunning experience, making the Fenix 8 stand out in a crowded market. The AMOLED screen is not just about aesthetics. It also enhances the watch's functionality. The Garmin Fenix 8 is set to redefine health tracking with its suite of advanced sensors and features. At the forefront of this upgrade is the inclusion of an electrocardiogram (ECG) heart rate monitor, a feature that has become increasingly popular in the wearable tech industry. The ECG monitor will allow users to track their heart rhythms and detect potential irregularities, providing a more detailed and accurate picture of their cardiovascular health. The Garmin Fenix 8 will be a game changer. Garmin is enhancing the water resistance of this model, making it suitable for more demanding aquatic environments, including diving. Battery life is a critical factor for any smartwatch, especially for outdoor enthusiasts who rely on their devices for extended periods. Garmin addresses this concern with the inclusion of solar charging capabilities in all Fenix 8 models. Solar charging technology has been a feature in previous Fenix models, but the Fenix 8 is expected to take it to the next level, offering even greater efficiency and extended battery life. The Garmin Fenix 8 is rumored to be released in early September 2024, a timeline that aligns with Garmin's typical product launch schedule. While the exact price has not been confirmed, it's likely that the Fenix 8 will be more expensive than its predecessors, with prices potentially starting at around $699 and going up depending on the model and size. Its improved water resistance and solar charging capabilities make it a reliable companion for even the most demanding outdoor activities, while its smart features and connectivity ensure it fits seamlessly into your daily life. Stay tuned for more updates.